Good morning, dears. Today we are going to discuss about integers. Before going to integers, just we will recall about natural numbers and whole numbers. The natural numbers means natural numbers are all numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. They are the numbers you usually count and they will continue on into infinity. It means, dears, what we are using the counting numbers means 1 2 3 what we are using every day for counting the numbers, that numbers we calling that as natural numbers. That numbers, it doesn't have any end, means we can say that until crore, 10 crore, like that. So it can be go to until infinity. Generally, we can say that natural numbers means what we are using the counting numbers. That is the natural numbers except 0. In the natural numbers, we can't find the 0. The next one is whole numbers. Whole numbers means now whole numbers are all natural numbers including 0. What we are using counting numbers 1 2 3 4 5. So I said that previous that natural numbers, it doesn't have 0. If it has with that 0, we consider that as whole number. All the whole numbers we can say that natural numbers also, but all the natural numbers we can't say that whole, because natural numbers, it doesn't have 0. But whole numbers with the natural numbers, it contains 0 also. If it number starts with the 0 means that is whole number. If the number starts with 1 means that is natural numbers. Dears, then you know about now natural numbers and whole numbers. So if the natural numbers, it has a minus sign with, that means we call that as a negative numbers. Okay, then we will go with our today's topic, integers. Integers means integers are a collection of numbers which is formed by whole numbers and negative numbers. It means what we discussed previous means before the topic, that natural numbers, whole numbers and negative numbers, that all three included in the integers. Means, for example, if we take only the 2, if we take 2, we can consider 2 as a natural number. It belongs to whole number also, then it is belongs to the integer also. If we take 0, it is not belongs to in the natural number. It will belongs in the whole number, then it will be in the integers also. So if we take minus 3, okay, so this minus 3 means it contains minus sign, means that is negative number. This negative numbers is not belongs in the natural number and whole number. It both whole number and natural number, it contains only the positive numbers. But integers, it have both positive and negative numbers with 0 also. So this group of numbers we call that as integers. This integers we are going to denote it in the Z. Then we will go to the number line. Dears, already number line you learnt in the 6th standard. Just we will recall that, then we will go to the problems. Dears, what you are seeing the scale here, it contains 0, positive numbers and the negative numbers also. The right side of the 0, it is positive numbers. Left side of the 0, it is negative numbers. When number it goes to right of the 0, the value of that numbers, it is going to increase. If the number it goes to the left side of the 0 in the number line, the value of that number is going to decrease. It means, see here minus 8 is there. But 8, we are thinking that 8 is big one, but in the integers it contains minus, means that is small number. Compared to the minus 1 and minus 8, 8 is the small number, then 1 is the big number. Compared to these minus 1 and minus 8, minus 1 is the big number, minus 8 is the small number. If you consider here plus 3 and plus 8, plus 3 means here I am not going to show the sign, but if sign not there means that is plus, it seems. 3 is small one, 8 is big. So compared to these two numbers, comparing means 3 is small one, 8 is big one. Minus 8 is less than minus 1. 3 is less than 8. I think you cleared this number line. Then we will go to just recall addition, multiplication and division of the integers. Then we will go to the exercise problems. Dears, what you are seeing, this is addition table. Means two positive numbers, if you add, you will get the answer in the positive. If you add minus numbers, means you will get the answer in the minus sign. 1 plus 1 minus you going to subtract, means you will get whether it is a positive number or negative number. Minus and plus, then also you will get the any one of the number, means it is positive or negative. Okay, just we will go with the example. We will take two positive integers. For example, 6, 5. So if you add, you will get the one more positive number. 6 plus 5, it is 13. 13 is also one of the positive integer. Like that, if you take two negative integers, minus 3, minus 2. If you add these two negative integers, you will get negative integer in the answer. 3 plus 2, it is 5, minus is there, so both the number it has minus, so we are adding, we are getting the minus integer. Next, we will take one positive and one negative number. Dears, for example, if you take 6 and 4, minus 4, okay, 6 in the positive integer, minus 4 is the negative integer. If you subtract, what you will get? You will get 6 minus into minus plus 4. So 6 plus 4, it is 10. Means you get positive number. The big number it contains positive, so you get the positive number. Minus plus. Ulta we are taking now. Minus 4, 6. Then you are going to subtract. Minus 4, minus into plus, it is minus 6. Then both the number it has a minus sign now. 6 plus 4, it is 10. Both the number it has a minus sign. So we are going to write minus in the answer. So what will see the table like that? Positive integers means you will get the answer in the positive. Negative integers means, negative integers while adding means you will get the negative answer. Then 1 plus and 1 minus, it means you will get the answer in the both the signs. It differs depending upon the number. So it is cleared, I thought. Just we will know about the multiplication rule of integer. If you add two positive integers, you will get the answer in the positive. If you going to multiply two negative integers, then you will get the product in the positive. In the third condition, if one positive and one negative number you are going to multiply, means the answer it will be in the minus. Like that in the fourth condition also, minus into plus, if it means you will get the answer in the minus. Just we will go with the example, then we will clarify. Just we will take 2 into 2 means 2 positive numbers. 2 into 2 means 2 2s are 4. So 2 positive numbers, if we multiply, we will get the answer in the positive. See, minus 2 minus 2. The same number I am going to take for the clear. So 2 into 2 4. But here one minus is there, one plus is there. Minus into plus, it is minus as per the rule. Then both minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus, it is plus. Like that. Plus 2 minus 2. 2 2s are 4. Plus into minus minus. I think you cleared now. See, this is the third table, division table. Positive number, it's divided by positive number, means you will get the answer in the positive. Negative divided by negative means you will get the answer in the negative. Plus divided by minus also minus, then minus divided by plus also minus. For example, just we will go here only. Okay, 4 divided by 2. Okay, so both it has a plus plus sign. Same sign means it is easy to clear. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 2, we get the answer in 2. This 2, it is positive. Then first condition is clear. Next, we will take 4 by 2 only, but in the minus it is minus 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So here it left minus. So answer it is 2. It has the in the numerator minus. So in the answer we get the minus. Means this fourth condition is cleared. We will go to the second condition now. Minus 4 minus 2. Both the sign are same, means we can easily cross out. 2 1s are 2 2s are. We get the positive answer. Then second also clear. We will go to the third condition, that is first numerator in positive, then denominator in negative. As usual, what we did for the fourth condition, as like that this is. So 2 1s are 2 2s are minus 2, it is the answer. So like that we are going to do the problems in the division. Exercise 1.1, first problem. Following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. Dear, here they have given one number line. On the number line they have marked different places of temperature in a particular day. Means for example, today is Friday. On Friday, so in the Bangalore, Ooty, Shimla, Srinagar, Lahore, Spiti, in has different temperature in the different places that they are showing in the number line. Using this number line, we need to answer for what they have given the question. First question, observe the number line and write the temperature of the placed mark on it. Means we have to observe all the places. First place it is, we will take the first place, Bangalore. Bangalore. So see here 20, 21 and 22. It is in the place of 22. Means Bangalore has a 22 degree Celsius temperature. Then we will come to the Ooty. In the Ooty it is lies between 10 to 15, means you count each line it shows 1, means 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, Ooty it is in the place of 14 degree Celsius. Then we will take Simla. Simla, it has 5 degree Celsius temperature. See here, see the number line, then answer it. Then next one, Srinagar. Srinagar as, see after the 0 it should be go to minus 1, minus 2. Then Srinagar has minus 2 degree Celsius temperature. And then at the last, Luhuspati. In this place, it has the temperature minus 5 over minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 8 degree Celsius. This is the temperature of that particular day in the different places. Second question about the number line. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? See this number line, check it. We have to check the hottest and coldest places. Coldest place is Luhuspati, then hottest place is Bangalore. Okay, so we have to take these two places. Luhuspati, it has the temperature minus 8 degree Celsius. Then Bangalore has the temperature 22 degree Celsius. Then what is the question? What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above? Means we have to find out the difference between these two places temperature. So how to check this? We have to subtract from one another. minus 22 minus of 8. Okay. So, we are going to check the difference. Difference means we have to subtract. Then 22 minus of minus means minus into minus plus 8. It is equal 22 plus 8 means that is 30. Then difference of hottest and coldest place is 30 degree Celsius. This is the difference temperature between the hottest and coldest place. Third question about the number line. What is the temperature difference between Lahuspati and Srinagar? We have to take the Lahuspati's temperature. Lahuspati, it has 8 degree Celsius temperature. Then Srinagar, it has the temperature how much? Minus 2 degree Celsius. Correct, no? Then we have to check the difference. What is the difference temperature in between these two places? Then as usual we have to subtract from one another. So minus 8 minus of minus 2. Okay. Then minus 8 minus into minus plus 2. Then minus 8, 1 plus 1 minus means we need to subtract. So then we are getting the minus 6. Then difference between Lahuspati and Srinagar is, difference temperature between Lahuspati and Srinagar is minus 6 degree Celsius. Next, we will go to the second problem. Second problem, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jock's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Just they have given 5 rounds marks. Okay, we need to calculate the total marks. For correct answer, positive numbers. For incorrect answer, negative marks. So in the first round, we have to calculate total marks. Correct, no? Then in the first round, what 25 he got. Total means we need to add. Second round, minus 5. Then third round, minus 10. Fourth round, 15. Then fifth round, 10. So 5 rounds, 5 marks we get. Then we need to add this up. Just you take the positive numbers aside, 25 plus 15 plus 10. Then negative numbers you take aside, minus 5 minus 10, plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus. I have taken like that. Then just you add these positive numbers. 25 plus 15. 25 plus 15 means it comes 40. 40 plus 10, it is 50. Correct, no? Once you check it, 5, 10, 0, 1 carry. Okay, 40 plus 1, 10, 50. Then minus 5 minus 10. It comes minus 15. Then subtract it. 15 minus 15. So from the 10, if you subtract 5, we will get 5. Here 4 it is there. 4 minus 1 it is 3. Then 35. Jock scores the total mark is 35. Then third problem. At Srinagar, temperature was 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? See, here in the Srinagar, what the temperature varies on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, we have to check it and find the temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday. This is the question. First you write temperature on Monday. Okay. In the Srinagar, Monday temperature it is minus 5 degree Celsius. Already they only given. Then and then it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Then temperature on Tuesday. Okay. They have given the hint to find that, is it not? So, it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius, then minus 5 minus 2 degree. Correct, no? So, already it has the temperature 5 degrees Celsius on the Monday. It drops 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So, just you subtract from the minus 5, then you will get the answer. Minus 5 minus 2 means minus 7 degree Celsius we can find on the Tuesday. Next, in the third question in that, on Wednesday it rose by 4 degree Celsius. Then temperature on Wednesday. Okay. Minus 7 degree plus 4 degree. Already Tuesday it is minus 7 degree Celsius. It has the temperature on Srinagar. In the Wednesday it going to rise up 4 degree Celsius. Then what is the temperature on the Wednesday? Means it rose means it is increased. Increased means we have to add. So minus 7 plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4 means it is minus 3 degree Celsius. So on Wednesday Srinagar has the temperature minus 3 degree Celsius. Next, fourth problem, verify a minus of minus b is equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. In this main, they have given values for a and b. We need to check whether it is follows. It is satisfied. We have to check. See, first you write the what they have given the formula. A minus of minus b is equal to a plus b. Then what they have given the value, just substitute on that. A is equal to 21 minus of minus b is equal to 18. Okay. A is equal to 21 plus 18. Just substitution. Okay. Then 21 minus into minus it is plus 18. 21 plus 18. Just you add it. 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. Then both the sides are equal. Then the equation is satisfied. Hence satisfied. This means it is belongs to addition of integers. So using the addition of integer, we are going to check that formula, it is satisfied or not. Then second problem, a minus of minus b equals a plus b. A is equal to 118 minus of minus 125 equals 118 plus 125. So 118 minus into minus plus 125 equals 118 plus 125. Just add it now. 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus 1, 2. Then this side also 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1 it is 4, 1 plus 1 is 2. Then both the sides are same. Then this problem also satisfied. The next main, use the sign of greater than, less than or equal in the box to make the statements true. In the last main what we have done the problem, it is also as same like we have to check which one is greater, which one is less than and which is equal. So as usual you take that both the side numbers minus 4 is equal to minus 8 minus of minus 4. Okay. Then minus 8 as it is you write, plus into minus it is minus 4, then equals minus 8 right, minus into minus it is plus 4. Minus 8 minus 4. If both the number it has the minus sign means we have to add it. 8 plus 4 it is 12, but sign should be minus. Greater number sign we are going to write. Then 1 plus 1 minus is there means in the integer we have to subtract. Then minus 8 plus 4 is there, 8 minus 4 it is 4, greater number sign it is minus. See, minus 12 minus 14 we get, which is the big number now. So in the number line already I explained you. So minus 12 is the small number, minus 4 is the big one. So we have to write the sign, greater symbol to this problem. Then one more problem we will check out. Minus 3 plus 7 of minus 19 is equal to 15 minus 8 plus minus of minus 9. Then minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. 15 minus 8 plus into minus minus 9. Okay, just clarify that both it has minus sign. You add these two. 19 plus 3 it is minus 22 plus 7. Here these two has a negative signs. So you add these two first. 8 plus 9 it is 17. So both has the minus sign. So minus sign we have to write there. 21 minus sign, 1 plus is there. We need to subtract. 22 minus 7 we have to do. Subtract 22 plus 7 means, minus 7 means we will get 15, means it greater number it has the sign minus. So answer should be in the minus. 15 minus 17. So minus 2 is the answer. Then which number is greater? Minus 2 is the biggest number compared to the minus 15. So symbol should be like this. Are you understand? DS, what we left the problems in the 8th and 9th main, that problems are for homework. You have to solve and send.